Okay, let's get this big 13.1-inch radio installed. If you're not sure how to do it, you definitely need to watch this video. First things first, we're going to unscrew all the fasteners in these locations. There are 2 screws right here, and another 2 screws over here. There is 1 screw in each of these 3 locations. Once all those screws are out, grab the tool we've included and carefully pry off the center storage compartment panel. When you lift it up, just be sure to disconnect the cigarette lighter socket wire beforehand. Next, we'll remove the old radio panel and unplug all the wires connected to the back of it. Now, pay attention to the wiring behind the gear shift panel. You'll see a locking switch. We need to lift this red button upwards and then press down to release and unplug the connector. Alright, let's take out the old radio display. After that, we're going to remove the gear shift controller. For this step, we first need to unscrew these 8 screws you see here in the picture. Unscrew the 6 securing screws shown in the image. Press outwards to remove the air conditioning control frame. Then, unscrew the 2 securing screws and remove the hazard light panel. Using a T9 screwdriver, unscrew the 5 securing screws shown in the image. There are retaining clips on the left and right sides. Use a tool to pry them open. Next, on the front side, use a tool to pry off the left and right knobs. Press and hold the center knob, and then push downwards firmly to remove the panel. Next, install the air conditioning control decorative panel. Select the panel according to your vehicle model for installation. For models with manual air conditioning, there's no need to disassemble the circuit board. You can directly transplant the climate control assembly to the new device. Here, we will demonstrate the installation method for the automatic model. Align the panel with the holes and snap it into place. Then, align the back cover with the holes and tighten the screws. Finally, install the knobs. Now, let's connect our wiring to the car's wiring. This largest plug here is for the power. And this smaller plug on the power cable is for the car horn. Next, connect the radio antenna cable. Then, connect the OEM USB cable. If you're using the rear view camera we provided, you'll need to find its power cable. It's the 3rd wire counting from the black one. In the video, it's shown as brown. Keep in mind that power cable colors can differ between batches, so relying solely on color is just a reference. Finally, connect this reverse camera control wire. Go ahead and screw in these 2 fixing screws. Then, we can put the storage box back in place. Unscrew these 2 top fixing screws and then snap the trim piece back on. And just like that, you're all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up.